Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So finally I am back with another tech video. Today I will show you a business model using Facebook Marketplace with no investment. So everyone knows there will be recession in the market when the lockdown gets over. So if you are a local business owner, like you have a crockery shop or you have a clothing shop, what will you do? How will you grow your business? That means you need to come online, you need to show your online presence. That means you need a website, and also you need a tech guy to build your website and to grow your website and also to manage your website. So there is again an investment. So if you can't afford it, what will you do? How will you grow your business after lockdown? Don't worry guys, I have a solution for you. I'll show you how you can grow your business on Facebook Marketplace with zero investment. So I will take you to the step-by-step process how you can grow your business, how you can come on Facebook Marketplace, and how you can grow step by step on the Facebook Marketplace. So keep watching and keep learning. So guys, right now you are looking at my phone screen. I have opened my Facebook account. So basically you just need a mobile phone, an active internet connection and a Facebook account. Now if you want to go to the marketplace, where will you find that option? So you just have to click on this icon, and you will find here the marketplace option. And if you don't find here, just scroll down and you will see more option. Click on that and you will find the marketplace option. So now let's just click on the marketplace. So this is how the home page looks like. Now what kind of product you can sell on the marketplace? So you just have to go here in the more section, just click here on the more, and you will find all the categories of the products you can sell on the marketplace. So you can sell here garden and home products, clothing products, then electronic products, family products like baby products, kids products, pet products. There are so many options available. So what kind of product you are selling in your shop, you can publish here on the marketplace according to these categories. So let's just come back to the homepage of the marketplace. Now, if you want to sell the product, so how will you publish the product on the marketplace? Let's just see that. So click on the sell option here and click here on the items. So here you have to upload the photos of your products and all the information about your products. So for the demo purposes, I have taken one clothing product, one hoodie, and I will show you the demo. So basically you just have to click some photos of your products from different angles and you have to upload here. Let us just select the photos now. So let me click on the add photos, and here I have selected these two photos of hoodies. So let's just select them. I have selected only two photos here. You may select more than two photos, like you can select around 5 to 6 photos and upload here, and I advise you to upload 5 to 6 photos at least. So after that you have to add the title of the product. So let me give the title here, man hoodies, and here you have to define the price of your product. So let me just say 999, and after that you have to select the category of your product. So you will find a bunch of categories. You have to select the category according to your product. So I will select here man's clothing and shoes. So once you select the category, bunch of option will be appear. So you have to select the condition of your product from here. So if your product is new, then select new option. Otherwise you can select the used option. So let me select here new, and here you have to write the name of your brand. So if your product has some brand, you can write here. If your product doesn't have any brand, it's fine, you can keep it blank, because it is an optional. After that you have to write down the size of your product. So if your product in different sizes, you can add your sizes. In my case, let's just say small, large, medium. So that's fine. And after that you have to select the location. So let's just click here. My location is Vadodara, so I will click here Vadodara, and okay. So let's just apply. So after you select the location, you have to write the description here. So I suggest you to write a very informative description, which includes the description of your product and some features of your product and benefits of your product. And after that, you have to write down the tags of your product. So in my case, I can write hoodies, I can say fashion, I can say clothing, etc, etc. So here you can add up to 20 tags. I suggest you to add up to 20 tags. I have only added 3 tags, but you add around 15 tags, so it is beneficial for you. After that, you have to select the availability of your product. So if your product is available in stock, you can select the second option, as you can select the first option. So I'll select here the second option, and after that the last option is offer shipping. So if you are offer the shipping, that means you are delivering the product to the customer's home, then you can enable this option, otherwise you can keep it disabled. So that's it. After that you can click on next. So you will find here marketplace option and it will be already selected, so keep it as it is and just click on the publish. I am not here publishing the product because I am just showing you the demo. So let's just go back. After you publish the product, the Facebook will review your product and approve your product within 12 to 16 hours. So once the product is reviewed, your product will appear here on the homepage of the marketplace. That's how you can add multiple products. You can click photos of all the products in your store and upload on the Facebook marketplace. So once your product is on the marketplace, if someone likes a product, he or she can click on this on your product and simply here he can text you by pressing this send button. So the message will be sent to your inbox. Once someone send you the message, you can directly connect them personally, you can talk to them, and also you can show them your different products. Also you can tell them to come to your store and see other products, and this is how you can grow your network. So if you grow your network, you will get more opportunities to get a sale. That's how you can grow business gradually on the marketplace. Now you can see the inbox from here. So here you can see I have got so many inboxes. So trust me guys, this business model works really well. I have done this so many times and I've got a great response. When I started this business model, I got my first 3 orders in just first week, and gradually I started getting orders. And also I would like to add some more things to this video. So what kind of products will be selling more in near future? As we all know, the grocery products, the sanitizer, the face masks, the hand gloves, these things will be part of our lives in the near future. So if you can sell this product, you must come on the marketplace, upload your products and sell and grow your business. So this is how you can get more and more sales. So that is it for today guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Also share the video, comment down below your suggestions, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get all the notifications of my upcoming videos as early as possible. Thank you guys, keep learning.